We sure did. It was thick in many areas across southwest Florida. This is what it looked like out my back door this morning. Some of these visibilities were down to about 1/4 of a mile, and I think we're going to see some of that fog again overnight tonight, although not as thick as what we've had. So very moist atmosphere. Southwesterly flow continues to pump all that moisture across our area. Temperatures in the low to mid 80s today. Of course, the warmest temperatures were in the inland areas and the interior areas. And look at these dew points. When you get into the upper 60s, that is some really moist air. Cooler, drier air is coming, but we're just going to have to wait. Look at these dew points still sitting in the 60s. It's going to stay that way again tonight, and at least for tomorrow morning. Cold front comes through, drops the dew points, drier air moves in, and look at this. By Thursday afternoon, we'll see dew points in the 40s, which is refreshing and cool, and you can just breathe it in. So the frontal system, I think I placed it just a little bit further north than that, but that's kind of sitting there at this point. That front is actually going to come through. The winds will turn behind it to a northwesterly direction, and then that's cooler, drier air that will move in. Of course, this evening will be very nice, but it is going to be sticky. So lows tonight will drop into the lower 70s. North of that front, you'll have overnight lows in the 50s. We'll get to see that tomorrow night. And here's your fog. Again, I think the thickest will be around 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, and that'll even start to thin out and lift pretty quickly tomorrow because this frontal system moves in. So our wind's still out of the southwest. There comes the front. This is not going to be a lot of rain, just some spotty showers along the frontal system. No storms out of this. Clearing skies behind it, northerly flow fills in, and that's going to be some nice stuff. There is enough moisture in the atmosphere to produce at least a few showers, but again, this is not going to be much. Look at the dry air, that northwesterly flow filling in behind it, and that'll take us at least through Friday. By Saturday, another front moves in. So for this evening, if you're heading out to the Southwest Florida Lee County Fair, temperatures will be in the 70s. Again, it is going to be quite sticky with that southwesterly wind, and overnight lows dropping into the lower 70s. Partly cloudy skies with the fog developing